guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Morphe Blew Ya Away palette. This is the 18A palette. So Morphe just recently came out with 4 of these kinds of palettes, I believe, and there's this one, there's a neutral one, a green one. They're just really nice and affordable palettes, so I thought I would try them out for you guys. So I picked up the blue one and the neutral one. So today I'm just going to be, like I said, using the Blew Ya Away palette. So that's the blue one. This is what it looks like. So there are 18 shades in all these palettes, and I believe it was $18. I'm gonna use the neutral one for a future video, possibly next video. Like I said, the palette has 18 shades. It has a really large mirror on the top of the palette when you flip it up. And yeah, so let's get started. So as you guys can probably tell, I did do my face makeup already, so I'm just gonna start right with the eyes. My favorite shade by like the looks of this palette would definitely be this blue. This is like my favorite shade of blue. It's like really light pale matte blue shade. Definitely gonna be using that today. But first I want to start out with the shade Star Attraction, which is this light matte nude color. I'm just laying this all across the crease. Now I'm going into the shade Indiglo, which is that really pretty blue shade that I mentioned earlier. Look at how pigmented this shade is. I'm just going to lightly place this all across the crease. I'm going to go into the shade Sky's the Limit, which is this really deeply pigmented blue color, and I'm going to go very lightly with this, really tap off my brush, and with a really light hand start placing this on the outer half of the crease. Definitely want to start light with this because I don't want this to look too heavy. And the lighter that you are with it, the easier it will be to blend out. I'm gonna go in with a clean blending brush and blend this out so that it looks really soft. I'm gonna go back in with the lighter matte blue and reapply that to the inner half of the crease. And do the same thing with the darker blue. I'm just going to place it on the outer half of the crease. Now that the colors in the crease are laid down, I'm going to go in with my NYX concealer and I'm going to just cut all the way across the crease. And to do this, I'm just going to start placing this all across the lid. Then when I want to get up to the crease, just going to continue that line. So now that the crease is cut all the way across, which I feel like I haven't done in a really long time, going in with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to go into the shade Sapphired Up, which is this really pretty shimmery color, and I'm just packing this on my brush and placing it all on the inner half of the lid. And this should stick really nicely because we didn't set the concealer or anything, so this is going to kind of act as our way of setting it. It's literally so pretty. I don't know if it's picking up on camera like it is in person, but it is literally such a pretty light blue shimmery color. For the outer half of the lid now, I'm going to go into this little bit of a darker shimmer, just placing this all the way across. I'm going to go into this deeper matte blue, place this just a little bit of this on that outer edge. Going in with a little concealer, cleaning this up a little bit. We're going to apply a wing today as well. Now I'm going to go into the shade Headliner, which is like this brownish gray tone kind of shade, and I'm just going to place this all across the lower lash line. For the inner corners and the brow bone, I'm going to go into the shade Opening Act. I'm going to apply this. Yeah, it has a little bit of a shimmer to it, and I'm going to definitely blend that out. But I'm just going to place this very lightly on the brow bone. So now I'm going to go in with my Mia Adora liquid liner. You can use any black liquid liner that you want, and I'm just going to create a wing. So for lashes today, I'm going to use these ones from Kiss. But now to finish up the eyes, I'm going to use some mascara. For my highlighter today, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter, and this is in the shade Ice Me Out. Then I'm just going to place this everywhere I would normally highlight. And finally for lips, I'm just going to use this Maybelline lip liner in the shade Taura and line my lips with this. And over top of this lip color, I'm using the Tarte Sugar Rush Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Cake Pop. But this is the finished look. that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. So I definitely like this palette a lot. Obviously, like I said, there are different color palettes to choose from if maybe blue isn't your thing. Would recommend these palettes to you guys if you are a fan of the Morphe formula. Same great formula. We all know they're super pigmented and just very affordable. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. Stay tuned for Valentine's Day videos because those will be coming soon, and lots of other reviews and things. You guys can also follow me on Instagram at Victoria Costanz and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!